kasi speaking of what if, kasi nabanggit ni Sir Noel Flores
Yes.
ng
Oh,
Enka,
yes.
nabanggit niya na aside from Diana or Enka, na sana raw pala napagsama-sama kayong apat as the
Yes.
ancient Cambaldiwas. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Ako kasi parang meron talaga akong pangarap para sa Encantadia na unfinished business na sana it became a movie. Like, one of my, yung tinatawag nila ngayong multo, yung bakit kami nag-guest sa isang pelikula. We didn't have our own movie. And in my vision of this movie, it would be in Batanes to feature the beauty of Batanes or, you know, parang something ethereal like that, which we have in the Philippines. So, I would love if the universes do collide, that it be a movie. Does that make sense? I want to also protect the characters that we started because ayoko na baka mapunta naman sila sa Devas. Diba?
Pero dito sa Sangre po, wala pang impacts or offers kayo.
Hindi ko alam.